The AFP reiterates its continuing support for the Aquino administration. This as the AFP leadership dismissed rumors of a destabilization plot against the government. Christine Santos with the details.
Days before the commemoration of the first EDSA People Power Revolution, AFP Chief General Gregorio Catapang assured the military is not brewing a coup plot against President Aquino. Catapang said the military pledges its full support to their commander-in-chief. In fact, the military continuously act on their duties despite the bloody incident happened last January 25 in Mamasapano, Maguindanao.
Yung coup plot is something that is... You cannot really say it's a coup plot because a coup can only succeed if there are military men involved in it. And as of now, there are none. No, walang na-involved. And in fact, nakikita natin mga mobilization lang, may mga nagrarallies, but they do not pose a threat to our national security.
After the Mamasapano clash, General Catapang, together with high-ranking officials, visited the 2nd and 7th Infantry Division to ensure that the soldiers remain focused in performing their given mandate. Catapang reminded these soldiers that the military did not come up short in providing reinforcements to the PNP staff. According to him, the public has its eyes set on the number of deaths due to the Mamasapano clash. But Catapang cleared out without the reinforcements sent by the military, there would be a higher number of lives taken.
Bakit tayo, nung responde na tayo, tumulong na tayo, tayo pa ang sinisisi? Alalahanin nyo, kung merong SAP-44, meron ding SAP-28. Yung SAP-28 na yan nabuhay dahil nag-responde tayo. 11 ang wounded, 17 ang hindi nasugatan. Nandun tayo nung kinakailangan nila. Nandun tayo nung nasusunugan sila. Nandun tayo nung humingi sila ng saklolo. Ang hindi lang maganda, kinompartmentalize tayo. Hindi tayo sinabihan kung ano talagang plano nila, saan nila gagawin, anong oras, anong kailangan nila. Nung nagkaipit-ipit na, tayo na po ang sinisisi. Pero ganun pa man, let's be all professional about this. Let's just continue our job.
Meanwhile, the official cannot confirm if the United States was involved in laying out a plan to arrest Marwan and Basit Usman, as they were not also part of this plot.
Yung Mamasapano is an unfortunate incident, but everything ends well. We will overcome this challenge, and in the end, our relationship will be stronger.
So tuloy pa rin trabaho, sir?
Oo, trabaho lang. Wala namang personalan dito eh.